What should you pack for nice weather to save money? Imagine walking through the streets of New York City, ready to explore, but your suitcase is packed with the wrong clothes for the weather. That can mean extra trips to buy or rent gear, costing you more money. So what should you pack to stay comfortable and save cash? First, think about layering. The weather can change from cool mornings to warm afternoons, especially in spring and fall. Pack lightweight shirts and long-sleeve tops that you can add or remove as needed. A medium-weight jacket or sweater is also smart because indoor places like stores and restaurants are often air-conditioned and can feel chilly. A compact umbrella is a must-have all year because sudden rain showers happen often. For summer, focus on breathable fabrics like cotton or linen to stay cool and avoid overheating. Bring a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun. Also, pack a light sweater or jacket for indoor air conditioning. In winter, New York can be very cold, with snow and wind. Pack a warm insulated coat, gloves, a hat, and a scarf. Waterproof boots or shoes with good traction will help you walk safely through snow or slush without slipping or getting wet. To save money, choose versatile items that can be mixed and matched easily. For example, a few neutral-colored tops and pants can create many outfits. Investing in a waterproof jacket with a removable liner can replace several coats and keep you dry in rain or snow. Bring your own reusable water bottle and snacks to avoid expensive purchases on the go. Comfortable walking shoes are essential because New York is best explored on foot or by public transit. This way, you can skip costly taxis or rideshares. Remember, packing smart means including layers for all seasons, rain gear for unexpected showers, summer clothes for hot days, and warm winter gear for cold weather. Focus on durable, versatile clothing and accessories that will keep you comfortable and help you avoid extra expenses during your trip.